Okay, now that handle is gripping on the inside, so I need to drive that in a little further. Shoot. Sure if you can see it there. There you can. Okay. We'll impromptu repair. Okay. This is where I need that thrust bearing to eliminate that. Free space, back play, what the hell you call it? Backlash. If I made little washers that go right into that pocket on the other, coming from the other direction, and on this side, and I tried it on this side, and too thick, you're not moving the thing at all. So that's what I'm thinking, that thrust bearing, regardless of how thick it is, gives you the movement. It doesn't crank that thing down. And if I recall, we got quite a ways to go because that screw was almost in the shadows. Okay, so we're at 12 o'clock, let's call it. Paper towel. And okay, this is where I made that washer to fit inside here. Now, if I had a little flat bearing, I think that's actually the way God intended it. Wonder if I should clean all this stuff. I just had the wrench in my hand. There it is. Okay, looks like we're good there. All that suck up. And my keyway should be at noon still. And that's noon there. Oh, let me look in there just to confirm that. Yeah, pretty much right on there. Now it's possible, hopefully it's not sticking down too far, but that can't be. Okay, I have to be engaged. That's all there is to it. Wouldn't have gone in otherwise. Now this is, in the past I've made the mistake of cranking this down, and it's just plastic now. It's not holding anything up. No, I got a lock washer here, and I had this washer on there. I'm not sure why. I'm going to leave this out because it's not original. Now, one upgrade suggestion that was made is a button head screw here. You know, rounded, a little shallower, because believe it or not, you know, your knuckle, you hit that thing a lot. Yeah, I can't see any reason for having that other washer in there. I don't know what I'm doing. What I do sometimes, I'm not sure why I do it. This is a 5 millimeter, is that right? Yeah, looks like a 5. Okay, just want to flatten out that lock washer. Well, brought back a little rigidity here. Let me get this chip out of here that's driving me nuts. And I am going to take just a minute to kind of clean this up. So, basically just start putting stuff away. And I'll give you an idea what that's going to look like. Here we go. Try to keep everything in its place. Tooling that I just got done using. It's not going to sit up there. My tap, my spotting drill, my broken tap goes up here, and the diorama, and this pointy thing we used to spread that. A little tiny Allen wrench. Doesn't fit anything that I have, but comes in useful now and then. Or at least that's probably the first time I've ever needed it.